Unlocking the spotlight. Understanding main stage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard in various contexts. Main stage. Whether you're at a festival, in a theater, or talking about the most important platform in any event, understanding this phrase can help you grasp the context of conversations and use it correctly in your own. So, let's break it down together. Main stage refers to the primary and most significant stage at an event, especially when there are multiple stages or platforms. It is where the key performances or events take place and is often the center of attention for attendees. When someone mentions the main stage, they are talking about the principal area designated for the featured performances. In most cases, the main stage is where the headlining acts perform. These are the performers or speakers who draw the largest crowd and are typically the most anticipated part of an event's lineup. It's not just about size or location, it's about significance. The main stage holds cultural importance in an event, symbolizing the peak of entertainment or the highlight of the program. Now, let's put main stage into action. Here are a few example sentences. The festival's main stage featured a surprise performance by a world-famous artist. As an up-and-coming band, playing on the main stage was a dream come true for them. The keynote speaker will take the main stage at 10 a.m. sharp, so don't be late. These sentences show how you can refer to the most prominent stage at an event and how to use the phrase to discuss event schedules and aspirations. Interestingly, main stage can also be used metaphorically. For instance, if someone says, "The issue has taken the main stage in public discourse," it means the issue is now the primary focus of discussion. This shows the versatility of the phrase in both literal and figurative language contexts. Thank you for joining me today to explore the meaning of main stage. I hope this video has shed light on how you can use this phrase in everyday English, enriching your vocabulary and conversation skills. Stay tuned for more videos where we unravel the beauty and complexity of the English language together. Happy learning, and see you next time!